guys! This is Vladia Diswangko, aka Jaja, at pupunta tayo sa ASUS office ngayon dahil pinapapunta ko nila Sir Mark and ni Sir Ellie. Ayun guys, dadalhin ko yung CPU ko doon. May gagawin daw sa CPU ko, hindi ko alam kung ano. Pero baka good news to guys. Ayun. See you guys! Pupunta na ako sa ASUS ngayon. Panoorin nyo na lang tong vlog na to. Bye-bye! Hi guys! So, nandito na ako sa ASUS office. Ayan. So, ito yung desktop ko. Ayan. So, magpapatulong ako kay Sir Mark and pupunta ako dun sa streaming room. So, let's go guys! Kakatok na tayo. Hi Sir Mark! Kamusta si Sir Mark guys? So, ito yan. Sir, nandun na po yung desktop ko.
Sige. Kukunin natin.
Okay, let's go. Kunin na natin. Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo sa table ng kasamang mga desktop natin. And nandito si Sir Mark.
Hello.
Hi, Sir Mark. And ito yung GT302 na case ko. And ito yung dati kong case. So, maglilipat bahay na tayo ng mga parts ko. Let's go na ba? Let's go na ba, sir?
Let's go.
Ready na?
So, before tayo mag-start siguro, of course, una natin gagawin is we're going to disassemble this, then lipat dito. And I already did see naman na yung parts and of course yung laki ng motherboard mo, it should fit naman dito. Okay, dito muna yan. So for the GT302, this supports ATX motherboards or eATX motherboards.
Sir, meron ba tong paano ba maintain yung...
Maintain?
Oh,
Actually, magandang question yan. So, dito sa front part pala natin ng case, so we do have a dust filter dito and sa top part ng case natin. Ayan. So, madali lang siya kasi magnetic yung fan filter natin. Another thing that I wanted to point out din is itong front part. So, natatanggal din siya. Ayan siya. All you need to do dito is to taas lang siya and you have your fan filter sa harap. We do have 3 fans in the front and may isa pang fan na nasa likod. So, included na siya. It's for 140 mm. So, talaga yung air na dadaloy from the front going to the back. Sobrang okay na okay airflow natin. So, this one is a tempered glass fan.
Ano siya, sir? Magnetic?
May lock siya actually. So, it's toolless. So, kanina nakita mo, nag-snap lang ako ng pagganon. So, kung accidental mo siyang maganon, may latch naman siya sa baba para hindi siya matanggal kaagad. Meron tayong 2 screws dito. So, this is where we will be mounting yung ating AIO cooler.
Sarap din magtanggal-tanggal.
Mamaya ikaw na magre-repeat nito. Tinanggal ko na siya lahat. Para mas madali din sa'yo mag-build. Ayan. So, this is where people can mount yung AIO cooler nila. So, this can support up 360 mm na radiator. And the one that we'll be giving to you, Ja, is a 240 mm cooler. Plenty enough naman yun para dun sa
processor. May bibigay kong cooler, sir?
Wala. Na-joke lang. Meron. So, upgrade ka na din ng cooler. Okay, I would also like to highlight this one. So, the cables are color-coded as well. Yung mga front panel natin na cables for the USB port sa harap and the power button are all white. So, yung space for cable management, it's really large dito. So, kahit na sobrang dami mong cables, walang problema. Meron tayong ample space para dyan. So, we do have removable disk drives na tray dito. So, it can support 2.5 and 3.5 mm na mga drives. So, dalawa dito sa baba. Slide natin. And we also have here 2 pa for 2.5-inch SSDs or hard drives if you would want to use hard drives din. Exactly. Ito na yun.
Oh my God.
Ito na yun.
Kinakabahan ako?
And we'll be starting na to take apart your old
tatanggalin
desktop.
Na yung old. Oh my God, bye-bye. Bebenta ko na to guys.
Bilhin nyo na to. Limited edition to. Pipirmahan ni Jaja.
May pirma sa ako.
Lagyan mo ng 1x1 photo. Alright, so habang tinatanggal ni Jaja, konting explanation lang. So, what we're going to build is a regular sized PC. So, ATX na PC. So, mas madali siyang i-build compared sa mga tinatawag nating small form factor na PCs. Alright, so sige, dahil natanggal na natin yung pins ng power dito na masakit sa ulo, ikaw na magtanggal naman ng screws ng motherboard.
Okay, so tatanggalin natin ang screw ng motherboard.
Babato ko na to. Pero mamaya, kapag nilipat na natin sa bago nating case to,
Malinis na.
malinis siyang matitignan. And we are going to start na to build and transfer your desktop.
Ito na guys.
Excited ka?
Excited na.
So ngayon, ihiga natin siya for easier building. So we're going to start with your
Motherboard.
Yes.
Saan yung mga
Final.
ang screw?
Okay, dito siya sa ating mahiwagang box.
Mahiwagang box.
Alignment.
Ganito lang pala mag-build.
Yes. Pero actually, medyo mas mabilis yung build process natin kasi most of the parts kasi that we're transplanting to the new case is already attached naman.
Ready.
Ito yung isang surprise natin
Oh my God.
is
Ano yan,
yung
sir?
graphics card.
Graphics card. Oh my
Graphics
God.
card. Pero
Anong yan, sir? Anong graphics card?
this is an RTX 40 series. 47. Sorry.
Oh my God. Thank you, Sir Mark.
Ngayon, is
Uy, so...
kailangan mo siyang i-align. Tapos ipipress down mo siya. Press it down. Sige. Okay, good. Unahin muna natin yung mas madali. Which is, ito,
Drive.
hard drive. So next that you're going to do is you slide it in sa baba. Yan. Okay, secured. So, while we're at here na din, let me just get another thing. Your AIO cooler.
Ayun guys, tinatanggal na natin yung cooler before ilagay ito. So ito yung unbox natin siya. Ito yung cooler niya. Ito yung ROG Strix LC3240 ARGB.
Yes. Kaya.
Kaya sir.
Kaya. So, na-mount na natin with the help of Jaja yung AIO cooler natin. So, ito na yung isa sa mga pinakamadugong part ng PC building.
Ano yan sir?
Cable management. If you're using, say, power supply na non-modular, at least with the help of our case and of course cable management, mas madali na siyang ma-mount. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is we're going to route the cables.
Oh my God.
But for this part, ako nang gagawa.
Hindi ko alam yan guys.
Okay, so
Ayan.
So, Ja, are you ready?
Okay na siya. I'm ready.
Ito na, moment of truth.
Oh my God. Sana umandar. Ito na guys. The moment of truth. Oh, grabe. Oh. Ayan. Uy. Ayun,
Uy.
may ilaw siya. Ang lamig guys. Eto na guys. Nakikita
Yes,
nyo na.
okay. So, medyo nag-rev up na yung fan. So, I would say that the build is
Ang
okay.
lamig. Wow.
Okay, everything's working fine as
Oh
it
my
should.
God.
So, just a quick recap lang of what we did lang on Jaja's old PC ay tinapon na natin yung lumang case. At nilipat natin lahat ng internals nung case niya to this brand new Tough Gaming GT302 ARGB White Edition. Of course, we've also mounted a brand new ROG Strix LC3 ARGB 240mm white cooler dito sa top part. And of course, to cool her 5800X processor. And of course, yung luma nating graphics card is andun na siya somewhere. We've replaced it with a dual RTX 4070 graphics card. So, plenty enough power to stream for 5 more years. Malakas pa rin siya, especially yung CPU cooler. So, we've updated na lang din yung internals niya para tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang streaming ni Jaja without interruptions. And of course, guys, makikita niyo to sa socials ni Jaja. So, Ja, welcome to your new house or new case. Please enjoy it as much as you can. And thank you for coming. And hopefully, more projects to come.
Thank you dun, sir.
So if you're interested to get your own Tough Gaming GT302, so click the link na lang on the description. So that this is available sa online stores natin and of course offline stores including our ROG Strix LC3 ARGB cooler. 240mm, 360mm black and white variants are available as of today. And of course, yung TUF Gaming GT302 natin also comes in black, by the way.
Thank you guys. I love Asus. Asus lang sa kalab. Hey!
Thank you, Jack.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you sa next vlog.